Juji Jinyu Mechanical and Electrical Manufacturing Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in manufacturing the computerized embroidery machines. Located in Juji, Zhejiang, China. We're the manufacturer of all kinds embroidery machines since the year 2002. Jinyu Factory is already 20 years old. We have rich experience in making embroidery machines. We have two famous brands, Jinyu and TY, with rich products line and complete structure. We also have rich products line covering flat embroidery machine. Sequins embroidery includes single sequins, double sequins, twin sequins, 4 sequins, and latest 8 sequins, beads embroidery, cording embroidery, chain stitch, chenille, towel mixed machine, coiling mixed machine, C-series cap, t-shirt embroidery machine, laser mixed embroidery machine, quilting embroidery machines, super multi-head embroidery machine, and so on. Jinyu has a strong technical team, a high-quality professional R&D team, and excellent production technicians, and constantly introduce the advanced machining equipment with complete production management process. Jinyu Company is famous in both domestic markets and international markets. Our products have been exported to Italy, Germany, Canada, USA, Mexico, Tanzania, Egypt, Turkey, Kuwait, Jordan, Uzbekistan, Mongolia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and so on. The company adheres to quality first, service topmost, keep in innovation, insisting technology. Great quality, global brand. We are trustable. We are popular. Jinyu sincerely welcome your visiting.